Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to trace the route on Cudy AX1800. Now let's begin. I'm currently on Cudy.net website. You can access this website at any time on any device as long as it's connected to your Cudy network. Anyway, we want to head to Diagnostic Tools and we want to go to Traceroute. In here we want to input the IP password and the IP address that we want to trace. I will input this very basic one and I will simply hit Traceroute. And as you can see, we can very clearly see the route that let's say the signal took in order to reach this IP address. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.